in a place where nature surrounds you at every turn. Each day brings bright mornings and golden sunsets, painting a picture of joy and opportunity. Welcome to Maximus City, a haven for comfortable living, where every aspect is crafted to enhance your daily life. Strategically located in Panvel, along the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, Mumbai's vibrant energy is easily accessible via the Atal Setu, with convenient proximity to key business areas and the upcoming Navi Mumbai Airport. Well connected to nearby train stations, schools, leisure spots, hospitals, and everyday necessities. Spread across 25 acres, this planned township is thoughtfully developed by superb MA developers, introducing its initial phase featuring 4 impressive towers. Designed with an eye-catching exterior and modern architectural style, Maximus City is certified by the Indian Green Building Council and follows Vastu principles. Offers a G+3 podium level plus 35-story building, complete with high street shops, cafes, and dining options. As you pass through the grand entrance, you'll discover a world of style and comfort. Well-lit parking areas, carefully designated for both residents and guests. Enter the welcoming lobby, where tasteful decor creates a warm atmosphere. Take in the stunning 180-degree views and enjoy smooth rides and modern elevators, making every arrival feel special. Step into spacious living areas filled with natural light, complemented by private balconies. This well-designed space perfectly combines style with comfort, including the family dining area, where every meal becomes a treasured memory. The contemporary kitchen, a space designed for both practicality and style. Unwind in comfortable bedrooms, promising peaceful nights and mornings full of energy. Maximus City provides a range of amenities, ensuring comfort, convenience, and enjoyment for all. Take a dip in the premium infinity pool. Whether you're swimming laps or relaxing poolside, energize your body at our well-equipped indoor gym, or enjoy a workout in our open-air fitness area. Find peace in the yoga space. Watch your little ones. Play in the creatively designed children's area, featuring a charming treehouse, the delightful butterfly garden, where nature's beauty surrounds you. Enjoy a jog or bike ride in peaceful surroundings on the dedicated track. For those who love sports, the sports arena offers plenty of options, whether it's shooting hoops or playing tennis, ensuring fun for everyone. Participate in lively community events at the amphitheater. Relax in the senior area, a peaceful spot to enjoy nature. Spend time with friends and family at the clubhouse. Create lasting memories in Maximus's elegant banquet hall. Take in the sweeping views from our rooftop amenities. Stroll through the Sky Garden. Maximus City is more than just a place to live. It's where your aspirations come to life. Welcome to Maximus City. Maximus City, where possibilities thrive.